So we got one more illustrations. Okay, and this is similar like previous one. The equation of directrix, you know that you have to find out equation of directrix, and we guys are comfortable with these situations. Y square equals to 4ax, y square equals to minus 4ax, x square equals to 4by, x square equals to minus 4by. So you have to convert your question into one of the form. So here we have y square, so I am assuming this to be fall in one of the two category. Okay, so let's attempt. First go with completing the square. Okay, so I'll keep y things on same side, x things on same side. So y square plus 4y equals minus 4x and minus 2. Okay, so can I write y square plus 2a and b? Look at this, this is 4, no, so it should be this thing only. Now we want b square, so 2 square added, 2 square subtracted, minus 4x minus 2. Now you know that this thing will look like y plus 2 whole square, and this minus 4 will go to that side, it will become plus 4. Okay, so minus 4x plus 4 minus 2. Okay, so it will become plus of 2. You know that we have to make sure the leading coefficient of y and x should be 1 only. So y plus 2 whole square minus 4 common, so x plus 1 by 2. Okay, so we have converted our question into this form. Now can I assume, wait a second, can I assume y to be y plus 2? Can I assume x to be x plus 1 by 2? Okay, now let's write this thing. So y square equals minus 4. In place of a, can I write 1? Okay, so this question belongs to type this. Okay, so you know that it is left side opening parabola, है ना, left side opening parabola, and you know it is minus a comma 0, it is 0 comma 0, and it is a comma 0, correct? So can I say that like x will be equal to a? Okay, so who is a over here? So x equals to 1, correct? This is the directrix, no? X equals to a, so I am using that point only. Now you know that this is capital X, but we are interested in small x, so can I replace capital X with x plus 1 by 2 equals to 1, so x equals to 1 by 2. So the required equation, wait, here we have problem, we did mistake. So by sign convention it should be negative. Okay, by mistake I did this, but I hope you must have observed. Okay, so it is this. Now let's go with simplification. So if this minus will go to that side, it will become plus, so it will become 3 by 2. Hence the equation of directrix is what? 3 by 2. I hope now you can handle these kind of illustrations. Okay.